I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make nails made of paper. First, let's gather our essential materials. You'll need some sturdy paper, like cardstock, which is perfect for creating a strong base. A good quality craft glue or wood glue will be crucial for holding everything together securely. Don't forget a ruler and pencil for accurate measurements, and a pair of sharp scissors for clean cuts. These simple items are all you need to begin your paper nail project. Now let's prepare our paper strips. Using your ruler and pencil, measure and mark strips that are about 1 centimeter wide and 10 centimeters long. Carefully cut out at least 5 to 7 identical strips. Next, take one strip and apply a thin, even layer of your chosen glue to one side. Then, gently but firmly press a second strip directly on top, making sure all the edges align perfectly. This layering creates the initial thickness. Continue this layering process, gluing one strip on top of another, until your paper stack reaches the desired thickness for a sturdy nail. Aim for about 5 to 7 layers. Make sure to press each layer firmly to eliminate any air bubbles and ensure a strong bond. Once the glue is completely dry, which might take a few hours, use your scissors to carefully cut one end into a sharp, pointed tip, just like a real nail. Then, shape the other end to create a flat, broad head. For the final touches, apply a thin, even coat of glue over the entire surface of your newly shaped paper nail. This acts as a sealant, adding an extra layer of reinforcement and making it more rigid. Let this final coat dry completely. Patience is key here, as it could take several hours. If you wish, you can even paint it with a clear sealant for enhanced durability and a smoother finish. Your unique, handmade paper nail is now complete and ready for use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.